Hi everyone, I'll show you how to install and remove your SIM card from LG Risio 3. That's the newest one, as you can see on right here. All you have to do, just remove this back cover from this side, as you can see right here. Go all the way around, remove it, and your SIM card slot is going to be right here. And the memory card, so both of them. The first one goes SIM card, and I'll show right here which way SIM card has to be. So you go this way, the SIM card goes first, it's on the bottom, and then the memory card is on top. As you can see, it shows which way it's supposed to be. It's really easy to install and remove. So all you do is just pull out memory card and remove this one too. That's how easy it is to install and remove the memory card. Make sure this phone completely off when you do all this stuff, because it's not gonna recognize. It might recognize the SIM memory card, but it's not. You will have to restart your phone for the SIM card. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.